Available on select trims, the power third row seats in the Genesis GV80 allow you to carry up to 7 passengers without compromising cargo configurability. Occupants sitting in the split third row can press the buttons on the corresponding side control panels to change the angle of their seat back. The second and third row seats can also be controlled from the rear cargo area using these buttons on the right side. There are separate buttons for the second and third row driver's side and passenger side seats. To begin, the GV80 must be in park. Press the button for the seat you'd like to fold or unfold, and the seats will automatically move. To pause movement, press the button again. Note that the third row seat head restraints will automatically fold when you start folding the seats, but will not automatically unfold when unfolding the seats. When unfolding the third row seats, the headrests must be manually unfolded. You can also fold the second and third row seats via the infotainment screen. With the vehicle in park, press Home, Seat, and then third row seat back. Select a side to fold or unfold the seats as needed. You can also fold only the third row headrest to improve visibility out of the rear of the vehicle. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.